I flipped the first page of my copy of The World with a school trip to Europe. We visited Amsterdam, London, and Paris. To travel was exciting, and I was expecting to see things different from home. What I did not expect was the need to consult my roommates to figure out the toilet at the first hotel. And I found the possibilities for variety with the plumbing were endless. A favorite memory of the Eiffel Tower's third-floor viewing platform is not one of the city views. It has taken the opportunity to use a ladies' room 905 feet above ground level. After several trips to Europe, grand old castles and museums blur in my memory, but an adventure can be found behind every lavatory door. I've swung handles and lifted a curious knob at one hotel. I've used bathrooms with a skylight, in a closet, and on a train. Even 600-year-old buildings can squeeze in modern facilities, but don't expect the corners true to square. Toilet stalls can be a traveler's friend, such as when the toilet provides a shelf for your luggage. And if a private hotel bathroom isn't private enough, you may find a second door. Public bathrooms provide convenient access to this necessity, though sometimes basic, or in an antique style, and travelers learn to pack wisely. From simple arrangements to an all-in-one function for washing up, toilets are perhaps an overlooked part of the travel experience. Some places in the world still use a simple hole in the ground, though to date I have only seen one in a castle's ruins. So I know my own Appendix T is a work in progress.